Briefly describe its location and significance as a potentially habitable exoplanet. Highlight its discovery in 2016 and the continued intrigue due to its habitable zone position. James Webb Space Telescope observations expand on how JWST's infrared capabilities revealed structured light patterns. Include more technical details about how JWST distinguishes artificial lights from natural phenomena. Structured lights, artificial or natural? Explain alternative theories, such as volcanic activity or auroras, but emphasize the unique grid-like nature of the observed lights. Potential civilization, discuss how a tidally locked planet could foster life, adapting to extreme day-night divides. Hypothesize about possible energy harnessing systems like solar arrays and their implications. Skepticism and future tools, acknowledge limitations of JWST and the need for complementary technologies like the extremely large telescope. Close with an invitation for viewers to consider the ethical and existential questions tied to alien contact. Historical monuments and mysteries, organize monuments by region or theme, for example, astronomical alignment, advanced engineering. Provide concise descriptions of each, emphasizing their mysterious elements. Alien hypotheses versus human ingenuity, present arguments for alien involvement alongside mainstream scientific explanations. Highlight human achievements and ingenuity while leaving room for wonder. Key examples: Egyptian pyramids, alignment with stars and construction techniques. Nazca lines, large geoglyphs visible only from above. Puma Punku, precision stonework and interlocking designs. Cultural interpretations, discuss how different cultures attribute mystical or divine significance to their creations. Provide examples like Aboriginal art depicting spirits and Sumerian myths of the Anunnaki. Conclusion, reflect on humanity's endless curiosity about its origins and place in the cosmos. Encourage viewers to consider the balance between science and imagination. Add visual descriptions of the JWST data, Proxima B's landscape, and ancient sites for vivid storytelling. Include engaging questions for the audience, such as, could Proxima B be observing us as we observe them? Or do you think ancient humans were capable of such feats alone? Integrate hypothetical scenarios about alien civilizations and their technological advancements. Use suspenseful transitions to maintain intrigue, for example, or the most chilling discovery is yet to come. Have you ever wondered if we are truly alone in this vast universe? What if the answer lies not thousands of light years away, but just next door? In 2016, astronomers discovered Proxima B, a planet orbiting our closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. And now, the James Webb Space Telescope has unveiled something astonishing, something that could forever change how we view our place in the cosmos. Proxima B lies in the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be just right for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. It's roughly Earth-sized, and at just 4.24 light-years away, it's the closest exoplanet we've ever found. But recent observations have left scientists stunned. Infrared images from the James Webb Space Telescope reveal what look like glowing, structured lights on the planet's night side. Could this be evidence of an alien civilization? The James Webb Telescope's advanced infrared sensors are designed to detect faint emissions from distant celestial objects. When scientists focused its instruments on Proxima B, they noticed irregular brightness patterns on the planet's night side, patterns that resemble city lights seen from Earth's orbit. These lights are too structured to be natural, sparking theories that they may have an artificial origin. Dr. David Kipping, Columbia University, the structured and repetitive nature of these emissions doesn't align with natural phenomena like auroras or volcanic activity. It's tantalizing to consider they might be artificial. But what could explain such eerie precision so far from Earth? Proxima B is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star while the other remains in perpetual darkness. If intelligent life exists there, they may have adapted to these extreme conditions. Imagine solar megastructures on the day side, harvesting energy to power artificial illumination on the night side. Such technology would be light years ahead of anything humanity has ever conceived. Proxima B's location in its star's habitable zone suggests it could support liquid water. But red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are known for their intense solar flares, which can strip away a planet's atmosphere. If Proxima B still retains signs of habitability, it might have developed a robust magnetic field, Or perhaps an advanced civilization has created technological shields to protect their world. Astrophysicist, we're seeing moderate temperature variations on Proxima b, which suggests something is regulating heat across the planet, possibly an atmosphere or even advanced energy distribution systems. One of the most compelling aspects of Proxima b is its potential for biosignatures, gases like oxygen, methane, or water vapor that indicate life-supporting conditions. Even more intriguing would be the detection of techno-signatures, industrial byproducts like chlorofluorocarbons, which could only come from intelligent life. Think about the implications of discovering intelligent life so close to Earth. What if they're observing us as we observe them? Would they view us as equals, or as a primitive species not yet ready for contact? And what would humanity's response be? Diplomacy, curiosity, or fear? Proxima b isn't just a modern discovery. Could it have links to Earth's past? Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Sumerians, and Mayans left behind clues that some believe point to extraterrestrial influence. Could Proxima b's inhabitants have visited Earth thousands of years ago, leaving their mark on our history and culture? As we uncover more about Proxima b, we must ask ourselves, should we try to contact its inhabitants? History shows that first contact between different societies often leads to unintended consequences. Extending this to an interstellar scale raises ethical and existential questions humanity may not be ready to answer. The JWST has opened a new chapter in our search for extraterrestrial life, but it's just the beginning. Future instruments like the Extremely Large Telescope and interstellar probes could provide even more detailed analyses of Proxima b and other exoplanets. Until then, the faint lights on Proxima b remain one of the most compelling mysteries of our time. Are we on the verge of discovering a thriving alien metropolis, or is there a natural explanation waiting to be uncovered? Either way, the search for answers is a journey that redefines what it means to be human. The cosmos is calling, and we must answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing discoveries. What do you think these lights could mean? Share your thoughts in the comments.